Hey, what's up everybody, this is Cryptic Coding here, back with another goddamn video. In this video you'll learn about ParallaxBackground and how they are used in games. So first of all, I want to say that I'm sorry because I can't make videos for a long time because of school and stuff, and in 3 days my exams are coming and things. That's why I'm not be able to make any videos for you guys. But now I'm gonna make like 3 videos every day. 3 videos per day. I have 3 days, okay? So 1 video is per day. So yeah, so in this video you'll learn about how to deal with ParallaxBackground. Now the first thing you need to understand by ParallaxBackground, Godot handles it in depending on nodes. You guys know that, right? Godot handles it with using nodes. So if you want to implement that, you need to have certain nodes to be attached. First, let's delete this thing and let's start from the beginning. It's simple, but it can be complicated. Okay. Firstly, you need to add a node called ParallaxBackground. Then add a ParallaxBackground layer. So let's rename it to base. And ParallaxBackground layer will click on scroll here and set everything to the whatever this thing is. Do not change anything here, it can mess you up. Okay, so now we'll add another called parallax layer node. Now the parallax layer will inherit from the base node, so we'll rename it to layer. Next step is adding a sprite node. And we will go to our assets, base pack. We'll pick up our bg.jpg and then boom, got it. Now we need to you need to make sure that everything works fine, and you just need to drag this thing. So drag it about here. You see these lines right here, these lines. Now this is what your camera is, and these lines is what it will be shown. So make sure that it's big enough. Okay. So you have your sprite there. So you're just gonna play. And now, okay, there's one problem here, which is I need to fix it in the next video. So let's just now. So let's go and check it out what happens there. As you can see, you have your the heart and things are there. So as you can see, it's in parallax mode now. It will follow the camera. Now this is what I want to show for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial you'll learn how to organize the project